brand new 2023 Ford Ranger protected with a Halo Mini immobiliser. So if a thief got this key, done a relay attack, copied the key, went to steal it, it's just not going to start. So you can see my foot's on the brake, pressing the start button, it's just not starting. So what the customer has to do, we'll just turn the vehicle off. What they'll do, turn the ignition on with their foot off the brake, go through a unique code, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We get a flash from the indicators. Now, ignition off, foot on the brake, start it up, and it runs. If the customer wants to change the code, they can do that, set whatever they want. Once they leave the vehicle, open the door, we get 2 flashes, the system's active, and it's not going to start without the code, straight away. So, foot off the brake, ignition on, unique code, flash, off, and start. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is the Halo Mini on a 2023 Ford Ranger WildTrak. We're Immobiliser Fit. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.